Welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in cryptocurrencies that are showing potential for a comeback, today's video is for you. We're diving deep into Monad, or MON, the native token of the Monad Layer 1 blockchain. Over the past couple of months, MON has faced some significant pressure, but recent market activity hints at a potential turnaround. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, from recent price movements and technical patterns to what could come next for this token. So whether you're a trader looking for short-term opportunities or an investor considering the long-term prospects of the Monad ecosystem, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of where MON might be headed next. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any decision. Let's start by understanding where Monad stands right now. Over the last 60 days, MON has seen a pretty steep decline, dropping about 41% from its recent highs. There are a few reasons for this. Firstly, the total value locked, or TVL, across the Monad ecosystem has slowed down significantly. TVL is a key indicator of adoption and user engagement, so when it slows, it can signal lower activity and enthusiasm among investors. Secondly, application-level revenue within the ecosystem has dipped as well, suggesting that projects building on Monad haven't been generating as much income as before. Both of these factors combined have weighed heavily on the token's price, contributing to that sharp decline we've seen recently. For traders, these conditions can feel discouraging, especially if you are hoping for a steady upward trajectory. But here's where things get interesting. The market may be hinting that the worst could be behind us. Today, MON caught the attention of the market with a 12% price bounce. While one day doesn't make a trend, the broader structure on the daily chart is starting to reveal early signs that a bullish reversal could be forming. In simpler terms, this means that the downtrend that has dominated MON for weeks might be starting to lose momentum, giving buyers a chance to step back in. One of the most promising formations we're seeing is what traders call a double bottom. This is a classic pattern that usually emerges at the end of a prolonged downtrend and often signals a potential shift from bearish to bullish conditions. Here's how it looks in MON's case. The first bottom occurred when MON dropped toward the $0.018 knee. From there, the price rebounded and approached the $0.0297 level, which acts as the neckline resistance. However, that recovery attempt didn't hold, and MON fell back toward the same $0.018 support, testing whether buyers were still interested at that level. What's encouraging this time is how buyers behaved. Demand once again appeared near $0.018, successfully preventing the price from breaking lower. This created the second bottom of the double bottom pattern, which is an essential ingredient for a bullish reversal setup. Currently, MON is trading around $0.02071, suggesting that selling pressure may be tapering off. Now, technical indicators are also giving some hints that momentum might be shifting. The MACD, which is a widely used tool to assess price momentum, is showing early signs of a bullish crossover. For those who are new to this, a bullish MACD crossover happens when the short-term momentum starts to exceed the long-term momentum. In plain language, it often signals that the downward pressure is fading and that buyers could be starting to return to the market. This doesn't guarantee a full-blown rally, but it does increase the probability that MON could see some upward movement in the near term. So, if you're thinking about what could happen next, it's crucial to focus on some key price levels. On the upside, MON will need to reclaim the 50-day moving average, which is currently hovering around $0.02266. The 50-day moving average is a critical level for short-term traders and investors alike, because breaking above it often signals a shift in momentum. If MON can hold above this level, it would strengthen the case for a potential recovery and could attract more buying interest. After that, the next major resistance level is near $0.0297, the neckline of the double bottom pattern we discussed earlier. A decisive move above this point, ideally with a successful retest of the breakout level, would confirm the double bottom pattern and likely pave the way for a stronger upward move. This is the point where traders start to feel more confident about a sustained rally, and it's a level to watch closely for any momentum traders out there. On the flip side, the most critical support to defend remains at $0.018. If the price breaks below this support, the bullish setup would be invalidated, and MON could experience another leg of decline or enter a prolonged consolidation phase. In simple terms, this is the line in the sand that buyers need to hold to maintain hope for a reversal. While short-term price action and technical patterns are important, it's equally essential to look at the bigger picture. Monad, as a Layer 1 blockchain, has been building its ecosystem steadily, and long-term adoption could provide fundamental support for the token. Investors often overlook two key factors: network growth and real usage of applications built on the blockchain. Even if the token price is volatile, these underlying metrics can be early indicators of long-term potential. For MON, keeping an eye on TVL growth and revenue generation from its ecosystem projects can provide additional confirmation of a sustained recovery. It's also worth noting that market sentiment can change quickly in the crypto space. Positive news, partnerships, or announcements about ecosystem upgrades could act as catalysts for a price reversal. On the other hand, negative market conditions or broader cryptocurrency market downturns can quickly erase gains, even if technical patterns look promising. To sum it all up, Monad, MON, has faced a rough couple of months, dropping about 41% due to slowing TVL growth and declining application-level revenue. But the market may be showing early signs of hope. The price is forming a potential double bottom around the $0.018 support level, with buyers stepping in to prevent further decline. Technical indicators like the MACD are hinting at fading downside momentum, and the 50-day moving average at $0.02266 is a key hurdle that could signal a shift in short-term sentiment. The critical resistance to watch is the $0.0297 EK line, which, if broken convincingly, would confirm the double bottom pattern and open the door for further upside. On the downside, defending the $0.018 support is vital to maintain the bullish outlook. In short, MON could be on the verge of a turnaround, but it's important to remain cautious and watch these key levels closely. For traders, this presents both opportunities and risks. For long-term investors, monitoring ecosystem growth and fundamental developments remains critical. So, whether you're considering entering MON now or simply observing the market, staying informed and keeping an eye on both technical and fundamental signals will be key in navigating what could be an exciting phase for this Layer 1 blockchain. That's it for today's analysis on Monad. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more daily crypto insights. Catch you in the next one. Stay crypto smart.